Hello student, today we discuss about physics 12th class 11th lesson dual nature of radiation and matter. So friends, basically we discuss about important topics only, not whole lesson. So basically summary, like a summary. So we started now photoelectric effects. So friends, what is photoelectric effects? The phenomena of emission of electrons from the surface of metal when the light beam of suitable frequency is incident on it is called photoelectric. Means friend, if we have a metal surface and we strike a light beam of a suitable frequency, so they can photoelectric effect. Okay friends, and the electrons are emitted is called photoelectrons and the terms related to photoelectrons. First we discuss about free electrons. In this the metal and the electrons in the outermost shell, the valency electron are called losing bound to the atom. So you know about free electrons, so we not discuss fully. We discuss about electrons emission. So electron emission is important. The phenomena of emission of electron from the surface of metal means we removing the electron from the surface of metal is called electron emission. So next the photoelectric emission. So basically photoelectric emission is a same thing but light radiation. Means with the help of light we removing the electron with a suitable frequency fall on it. So next one is work function. The work function is a minimum amount of energy, means minimum, not more not less, minimum amount of energy to removing the electron from the atom is called work function. Means the surface of metal we removing the atoms from it. The formula is WV denoted by W and the formula HV naught is equals to HC upon lambda naught. H is a Planck constant and V naught is a thrust frequency and suitable threshold. So now friends, threshold frequency. So now cut off potential. For a particular frequency of incident radiation, minimum negative retardation means small amount of negative retardation of a potential in a two plates. Means two plates they have minimum negative value. So the negative value, the photoelectric became zero. So photoelectric became zero and this is called cut off potential. And the formula of this, the formula is K E max is equals to EV naught is equals to half mv square maximum. EV naught work function also denoted as EV naught. EV naught. So basically this is the topic of first. Then we discuss about graphs, some important graphs. So this is the important graphs of electric effect of potential. Effect of intensity of light on electric current. So this is a graph in this photoelectron electric current and intensity. This is a photoelectrons. This is linearly rising, means if potential V is increases, photoelectron is increases, so the intensity is always increases. This is a vice versa graph. Variation of electric means frequency is fixed but the photoelectric current is increases linearly with increasing the intensity of initial radiation. So next topic is effect of potential on electric current. Photoelectric current means frequency is fixed, means this is constant and the intensity is different. Intensity is different and the height of I1, I2, I3, height of this is called sanitation current. Means the height, the reaches to plate A, means this is plate A, and this is the I3 I1 means current, so they make a maximum. This known as sanitation current. This known as sanitation current. Okay friend, you learn only frequency is constant and the intensity is different, means variation comes in the potential effect. So next one is effect of frequency on incident radiation of stopping potential, means this is opposite like this graph. In this the frequency is different but the intensity is same. In this the velocity of v naught is different and intensity is same, and the distance is sanitation current. The sanitation current, so we discuss about this. So next topic is law of फोटो इलेक्ट्रिक इमिशन. इसके जो लॉ हैं इसको कहेंगे गिवन मेटल मटेरियल ऑफ अ फ्रीक्वेंसी ऑफ इंसिडेंट रेडिएशन नंबर ऑफ फोटो इलेक्ट्रॉन रिजेक्टेड पर सेकंड, मींस per second rate of photoelectron emitted is directly proportional to the intensity of light, means the electron is emitted per second, so is directly proportional to the intensity of light. Second law is the frequency of incident radiation and the sanitation current is the found proportional to the intensity of incident radiation, whereas the stopping potential is independent. It is independent and it is proportional of its intensity. So next one is giving metal their existing minimum frequency of the incident radiation become where no emission of photoelectron take place. This is called threshold frequency, means minimum frequency to emitted the electron, means no photoelectron take place. No photoelectron take place is called threshold frequency. Is called threshold frequency, and the above threshold frequency the maximum kinetic energy emitted photoelectrons or evaluated some stopping potential is independent of initial intensity of incidence light, but it's depend on frequency. And this is a photoelectric emission of intensity. Photoelectron emission means instantaneous process. It is instantaneous process and the time lapse is 10 to the power minus second, 10 to the very small second. Okay friends, so next topic is important topic, Einstein photoelectric equation. This is important. So this is K is maximum kinetic energy is maximum, H is you know about Planck constant, V is energy of photon, and this sign is work function and not. So Planck constant theory of quantum, the light radiation tiny packed is called quanta. One quantum of light radiation is called photon, which travel with the speed of light. Speed of light is equal to 10 to the power 10 upon into 8 meter per second. This one. Okay friends, so relationship between stopping potential and threshold fold. So we know about threshold fold and